you been feeding your bells? You have been. Look at it. That's from your bells. That's you feeding your bells, isn't it? Yes. Yes. Crazy. Crazy boy. This is what he does when he feeds his bells. Yeah, you're clever. You feeding your bells? Oh my God. Did I interrupt you? Oh my God. What have you done? He's stolen a bread roll. And he shredded it. I didn't even notice that. And all that. Oh my God, Tiko, you are a psycho. Did you know that? Do you know you're crazy? Where's your bells? Oh. Minnie Moo! How you doing, darling? Tiko! Tiko! You're crazy! Look at all the bread everywhere. Joy of owning a free-range Eclectus. Isn't that right? Is that right, little buddy? Yeah? Yeah? Yeah. You're crazy. Where's your bells? Where's your bells? You gonna feed them? Yeah? You're a nut. What have you done? Who done it? Did you do it? Huh? Did you do it? Did you make all that mess? Just for something different? Hmm? Crazy. You're crazy. You want a kiss? Kiss? Oh, good boy. You're funny. Yes, you are. I'm glad to see you're a happy boy again now. Hmm? You're finished with your molting, aren't you? You're not cranky boy anymore. You're happy. Means I can trim your beak some more. I trimmed a little bit the other day, but he's been so upset with his molt, which he gets every year or two, that I didn't want to upset him more by trimming his beak. We don't have to worry about you with your beak trimming, do we, darling? No. She's a pretty girl. Hi, Mr. Tiko. Did you do that pooper on the couch? Did you do that? Did you do the pooper? Did you do that? Did you do that pooper? Don't try and tell me you didn't, because nobody else would have done that. Oh, he knows. He knows. He's trying to deny that he done it. Can you dance, Tiko? Look at you. Can you dance? Dance, Tiko. Clever boy. What's he doing, Lola? Is he dancing? Can you dance, Tex? He's running away, lols. Up on, yeah, up on here. You dance. Come on, up on there. You don't want to? Okay. Is that your pram? You love your pram, don't you? Hey, Rosie's already on the cage over there. She didn't stay on the table long today, did she? Where's Minnie Moo? What's that, Minnie? Come here, darling, look. Come and have a look. Come on. What is it, Minnie? Oh, you want to kill it? You go get it then. You get it and kill it. She goes that quick, I can't film her. You get it, Mins? Get it? Can you get it? What's he doing, Teeks? Come on, you play. Play pool like you used to. Come on, you do it. Good boy. Yay! You ready for that one? We can do this one. Can you do that one? That one. You get it? Come on, like you used to when you were young. Here. Good boy. Oh, nearly went in. What about these ones? You can do it. What? Hey? Where you going? Want that one? There you go. Knock it in. Good boy. Yay! Clever. Gosh, you're clever. What about that one? What about this one? Oh, good boy. What about them? Can you do that one? You don't want to play? All right, okay. You do whatever you want. I thought I'd bring that out here for you to play with because it's just sitting in the corner in the house collecting dust. Off they go. Crazies. There's all my crazies. In my mini moo. Is that good, Tex? It's nice in the sun. Oh, there he goes. What, Minz? Little mini moo? Don't you chew any of them. Don't you chew any of them. No. Don't you chew none. Yeah, what did I just say? Oh, Tiko. You're not supposed to chew them. They're there for making pretties. Oh, you're so naughty. What'd you do? Huh? You chewed the plant. You chewed the plant. Come here then. Oh, you're crazy. You want to play that again? There you go. Look, there. Do you want to play? Not interested? All right, he's going back in. Okay. Where are you, Psycho? Are you down there? Hey? You're dancing with a piece of KFC. Oh, you're clever. Look at you go. When the KFC is overcooked and not good for anything, it makes it good.
To sort of break it in half, you see.
When it's just overcooked and not good to eat, you just make it into a dancing thing. Isn't that right, Tiko? Yeah. You're clever. Yes, you are. You're a nut.
All you need is a little hat. The dancing hat. Like